It's your host, Joey D, and that was a great song coming from Killswitch Engage. We started with A Perfect Circle with Judith. We didn't start, that was the second song, but we started with All That Remains. This probably won't end well. Welcome to Living Loud with Joey D. It's another Wednesday night, and you know what? I'm going to keep the music coming with this track from Slash featuring M Shadows. It's called Nothing to Say. Keep it locked on here on Jam 88.3. What an awesome song from Slash and M Shadows of the band. Do I know what the band is? Avenged Sevenfold, that's it. Nothing to Say. What a great track. Super very heavy metal Iron Maiden type inspired, and yeah, I love that song when that I think it was the best song on that solo album. So yeah, I love it to bits. And before that, what did we listen to before that? I know we listened to some Killswitch Engage, Starting Over. So hard to find the song on Spotify. I don't think it's there, but it's off their self-titled album, still with Howard Jones, and to me, one of their best. Before that, A Perfect Circle, Judith. And we start off the entire set with This Probably Won't End Well, with from the band All That Remains, from the album The Order of Things. And I think that entire album, or maybe not the entire album, or that song was like based on a breakup or something with his wife. So very potent. Again, thank you for joining us here on Living Loud with Joey D on Jam 88.3. Of course, this is your host, Joey D. And thank you to everyone who's already tuned in. Inge Chan is tuned in. Melhead124, Ate Joanne, good evening. Thank you for tuning in. I know Mel Libao of Loads of Motherhood. Mel is all the way in Bulacan, and he's tuned in. So greetings to him and his daughter, to his wife, JD, and his daughter, Sab. Thank you for keeping me company here. It's a little lonely in the studio, but we will have a guest tonight. The legendary Paul Magat's going to be here. And you know what's really exciting is we're going to be playing a lot of your favorite hardcore, heavy metal, black metal, thrash metal, a lot of stuff. I know there's a lot of thrash metal tracks I put in here. I was going through a thrash metal phase a few days ago. But what's exciting is we have a lot of homegrown music from all over the place. First of all, congratulations to Fel the Mighty, to Migs, and the entire band. They successfully released their new track, Bloodied Letters. The music video, I think, was released yesterday. So congratulations to those guys. And, of course, they're part of the playlist. And as I was talking about Mel a while ago, me and Mel, we have a project called In Ruin. We're going to be playing a song from In Ruin in a bit. To Saiwar, we are going to be playing music from them. To Murder Club, I am new to the wonderful music of Murder Club, but I know I have been hearing of this band. They have a great reputation. Really awesome modern hardcore. So we're going to be playing music from them. All the way from Rizal, Slit Wrist Savior. A bit of a tongue twister. Slit Wrist Savior. There you go. We're going to be playing music from them. Mongrel Blood, all the way from Iloilo. We're playing music from them. From our Cebuano friends from Cursed by the Fire. We got a song coming up. We're going to be playing it here. And of course, all the way from Iligan, thank you to Ariel Lumanlan of Arcadia and Popsies. All the way from Iligan, he recommended this band Crossfire. So we are going to be playing their music in a bit too. Plus, we got a little more familiar stuff. I know we started off Living Loud with a lot of like super extreme metal and stuff. But we are going to be playing familiar tunes from familiar names. We got some Pantera coming up. We got some Exodus, of course. We'll throw in a little Marilyn Manson just for good measure for all of you who aren't into the super extreme stuff. Carnal Forge, we are going to be playing something from them. But you know what? I'm going to keep the music going. I'm going to be playing something from I forgot the exact price, but the Garage Days Revisited album from Metallica. This one's going out to you, Inge Chan. This is something called Stone Cold Crazy. You're still listening to Living Loud with Joey D on Jam 88.3. Jam 88.3, that was a track called Welcome to the Freak Show from the excellent band I just recently discovered called The Ultraviolence, which is obviously a homage or whatever you call it, a tribute to the Death Angel album. So very really, oh, that was super weird. Very good thrash metal from The Ultraviolence. That's the name of the band. That's not the name of the album. Before that, we played Carnal Forge, Decades of Despair. And we played you some Marilyn Manson, Mob Scene. That one's going out to my buddy Darwin Aguilar, who's tuned in. And we start off that entire set with some Metallica, Stone Cold Crazy, going out to Inge Chan off the Garage Days Revisited album. Right now, who's messaging? Oh, see, James Tank is also tuned in, listening from his phone. So thank you for tuning in, James. See, Tank, he's tuned in. Thank you very much. And again, it's another loud Wednesday night here on Jam 88.3. And what do we have coming up? Well, a while ago, I did mention we have a bunch of proudly local tracks that we are going to be playing, including Fel the Mighty's latest, Bloodied Letters, and a lot of stuff from the provinces, which makes me really, really happy. And it's not just because they're from the provinces, but the music is super excellent. Again, quick reminder from Iligan, we got Crossfire. From Cebu, it's Cursed by the Fire. From Iloilo, Mongrel Blood. And Slit Wrist Savior from Rizal. Also playing stuff from Murder Club, Saiwar. And of course, In Ruin. That's my band with Mel of formerly of Loads of Motherhood. And let's see, who else? We got a bunch of really good music coming up. We have a guest for tonight, the legendary Paul Magat. We're going to be playing music from his bands. We're very, very fortunate because these songs are actually not released. We got songs from his bands like Saipek and Disabuse and Befall, and of course K&K, his legendary band. I would say that he is one of the first metalheads here in the local scene. Of course, people will argue, and I'm sure he doesn't want to make that claim, but as far as I'm concerned, when I was reading old magazines like Rock and Rhythm, he was among the first to really lead the charge here locally. So we'll ask him about it in a bit. But right now, I do want to promote a bunch of shows. First of all, before the promotion of shows, I do want to make a shout out to Popsy's HQ, to Attorney Alan, kay BJ, kay Sid, and kay Ariel. Popsy's HQ, of course, powers Living Loud with Joey D on Jam 88.3. They've been very supportive. And you know what? Very, very soon, I am going to bug Ariel and Sid, maybe si BJ, to co-host the show with me because they are bikers, but they also, see, Ariel, he's involved with Arcadia. Don't forget, they recently released their latest song, The Social Cancer. Check it out online. But they're also music lovers and musicians themselves. So we're going to be picking their brains. And hopefully they can suggest some songs that we should play here on Livin' Loud. And what else is happening? Oh, first of all, I got really good friends. They're not necessarily metal, but Miles Experience is releasing their latest single, Wasted Time. It's sort of like a comeback gig. It's happening September 19th, 7 p.m. at Moe's QC. It features Kwan, Kian Cipriano, Jensen and the Flips, Aldrin Alcantara, who's a terrific drummer. Soap Dish is going to be there. And of course, Miles Experience is going to be playing as well, including Long Lost Apollo. So don't forget to support them. Cheers and shout outs to Tim the Divas. I know he has a gig coming up. Maybe it's tonight or tomorrow at Tago Jazz Bar. He has a solo project. So cheers to you, Tim, and cheers to Miles Experience. They're not necessarily a metal band by any stretch of the imagination, but they have released heavy music in the past. I know they did an album that was pretty heavy. Like we're talking like really heavy for the music that they usually play. So again, support local music, support independent bands. If you may not like it, but your girlfriend might, or a few of your friends from back in the day. So again, don't forget Re-Entry, the Wasted Time single launch that's happening September 19th at Moe's. And next week, I'm really excited at 12 Monkeys. Greyhounds, Power Spoons, Urban Dub, and I think one of the very first gigs, if not the first gigs of our buddies from Armalite. So K8, Toleran, Tumanu, and everyone who's part of Armalite right now. If you want to catch them live, it's the perfect time to go. And what a lineup. I mean, Urban Dub, Greyhounds, Power Spoons, from Cebu, of course, and Armalite, all really, really good friends of mine. So I hope you can support them. That happens September 11th, Thursday at 12 Monkeys. It's a grand to get in for entrance, but you know what? You'd be supporting really, really awesome bands. So thank you very much to all those bands for being really good friends, to be honest. I always hang out with those guys, so it's really, really cool. And again, good evening. Let's go to the Twitch page. Again, I'm sorry I can't reply on Twitch. I don't really have an account. But let's go through it. Again, Darwin Aguilar's tuned in. Good evening, Darwin. Si Ate Joanne. Inns Chan, always the first to tune in. And Roach Roughneck, good evening to you. Thank you for tuning in, man. Thank you for sending the devil horns, man. And let's see, I'd like to greet longtime friends of mine, si Michelle Fernando, si Ram Fernando, and everyone at Pintadon. Really, really good, awesome tattoo shop. Beautiful tattoo shop, actually. It's not just a tattoo shop, but I always fall asleep there. It's almost like a very, very fancy hotel when I go there. So cheers to those guys, kila Michelle and Ram. And Miles, I already mentioned the Miles Experience event. I mentioned the Papsies guys. Again, kay Attorney Alan, BJ Sid, and Ariel, thank you for giving a home to heavy music right now. And via supporting, of course, Living Loud. And don't forget, we got upcoming pulp shows. September 15th, Eric Martin, the voice behind Mr. Big's biggest hits, is going to be here. He's going to be playing at Cafe Shiloh in Pasig. And September 29th, the Smashing Pumpkins are going to be playing in Manila. Again, not a metal band, but I am a huge fan of the Smashing Pumpkins. So I'm very, very excited for that. But for all you metal fans, Baby Metal is going to be here October 8th. They are playing the Araneta Coliseum. So again, cheers to the pulp shows. And again, I do write for Pulp Magazine, and so it'd be really awesome if you could follow the articles that I put out there, pulpmagazine.com. So cheers to everybody over at Pulp Magazine, especially my buddy Santino, who I think is all the way in Bicol right now. So cheers. Haven't seen you guys in a while. Hopefully I can share a few drinks with you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As I always say, I'd like to shut up and just let the music do the talking. And what better way to, what better way to keep the show going with some Pantera. And, the Why Guys Ask Why. Good evening to you, man. This one's going out to you, to Darwin, to Inns, to Ate Joan. Here's a track from Pantera, the mighty Pantera. I'm Broken. You're still listening to Living Loud with Joey D on Jam 88.3. Holy shiz, did you guys hear that? That was Slit Wrist Savior all the way from Rizal. Burn the Palace, so excellent. And before that, it was Mongrel Blood, As Long As They Fear from Iloilo. And Cursed by the Fire, really, we got fans of Cursed by the Fire on Twitch. A track called Ligao. And you know what? Cursed by the Fire, Mongrel Blood, Slit Wrist Savior, and of course, Crossfire from Iliga, Never Regret. It makes me really proud of not just the genre, of being a fan of the genre, but being a fan of the bands, and that all these bands from all over the place are reaching out. The recordings sound great, so thank you very much. You're definitely going to be hearing more from these four bands. Again, I will repeat their names: Crossfire, Never Forget, all the way from Iligan. Cursed by the Fire, the track was called Ligao sa Cebu. Mongrel Blood, As Long As They Fear from Iloilo. And of course, that excellent track you just heard, Slit Wrist Savior, is the name of the band. Burn the Palace, coming from Rizal. Really, really excellent tracks. And of course, speaking of excellent tracks, I just found something out. Kinikwento ni Paul ngayon. That was sort of like a remix of the Kabaong ni Kamatayan or K&K track, Unity of Opposites. It's unreleased. You heard it exclusively here on Living Loud with Joey D on Jam 88.3. And of course, the legendary Paul Magat is still here with us. And Twitch is going crazy. A lot of Paul Magat fans. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. And thank you for supporting Paul, because Paul is a longtime friend of mine, and he is not just a friend, not just a musician, but he is a supporter of independent music from the Philippines. So nakatune in si Donovan 500, Sarap sa Tenga. The guy asked why, the Why Guy Asks Why is tuned in. Fraggin Bastich. And si Raj Idreen. I'm sorry I forget your names wrong. Lupit ng Cursed by Fire. So Raj, that one's going out to you.
Magagaling na bands ngayon.
Exactly.
Grabe.
Plus yung recording, me and Paul were talking on offline. The recording game has really upped the ante. So again, would you agree, Paul? Metal, heavy music in general, it's the hardest to mix, no? As a producer and as a sound engineer.
Yeah, kasi ano yan parang yung dynamics kasi, tsaka yung compression, alam mo yun, parang pag medyo pag na super compressed yung ano mo, wala na parang masyadong squashed yung tunog. So ganun.
So a lot of room for error pagdating sa heavy music.
Nandun pa rin, may dynamics pa rin talaga
Exactly. So, si Rigel is watching all the way from Canada.
Si Rigel, he's from Canada. Actually, tropa namin yan. Yan, si Rigel.
Rigel, thank you for tuning in. Reg Devastator ang pangalan niya dito. What a great name.
Thank you, Rigel.
Si Zero Blade, shout out to Kuya Paul. Si Kevin of Oremus.
Si Kevin.
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 Thank you for tuning
may
in.
banda siya yung Subconscious Terror din, yung si Kevin.
Good evening, Kevin.
Actually,
Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you for tuning in.
And of course, we are talking to Paul Magat. We are going to be playing more of his music. I'm excited for the next track. We're going to be playing Disabuse. That's his band ngayon. We're going to be playing it a bit, but we're going to be chatting with Paul muna. So, how did you get into the whole band? Kanina yung history mo as a musician, as a music fan. But how did you get into like being in a band na hindi lang garage band? You were playing gigs furiously. Basically, you were a professional band during a time nung hindi uso maging professional band, di ba?
Hindi ko alam.
You were playing gigs and whatnot. Pero like, what were the things that you learned like along the way? Saan ka na-shock na, ganito pala pig banda, no?
Actually, hindi ko alam na actually I never imagined na parang like what you've said na that time I was playing professionally, pero wala kasi sa isip ko yun kasi ano lang parang tingin ko lang parang parang gusto ko lang magtumugtog ganun, alam mo yun, tapos syempre makapunta sa ibang lugar o yung ganun lang, tapos ano ba although syempre naka-experience ako ng tumugtog sa mag-show band ako, ganyan. Mayroong mainstream music, ganyan. Kasi iba yung musician lang dun sa, pag musician ka o musiko, kasi parang hindi ka, siguro para sa akin kasi hindi ka dapat confined sa isang genre.
Oo.
'Di ba? So at least parang sabi nga dun sa may narinig ako dati na at least meron kang alam na 5 styles of music.
Yeah.
Ganun. So bilang isang musikero, parang ganun. So
parang yun yung magic number, no?
Yun, kaya at least 5 genres marunong kang tumugtog.
Because one thing I've always, especially during the time na nung you played and then nung lumabas ang Kabaong ni Kamatayan, I remember the only thing that on the radio was like the Dawn, After Image, Intro Voice. And
Identity Crisis.
What amazed me was you never had a bias against non-heavy bands, no? You listen to everything.
Naman.
Nung nag-show band ka, like how far from metal yung mga pyesa? Like,
ang layo nun man. From meron ako J-Lo, mga ganon. Yung mga, ano pa ba yung mga pyesa namin? Yung mga, meron kami Shakira, may Beyonce, mga Destiny's Child, mga
so
ganon.
super radio music talaga, pop radio.
Pop talaga, as in variety. Kasi meron kaming Earth, Wind and Fire, mga ganon.
So tapos, the works.
Yeah,
Ito ba yung nasa Iligan ka?
Nasa Iligan ako niyan, tama ka dyan, man.
Tapos like sila Peter nun? Like,
yun, sila Peter, kaya naging tropa ko yung mga yan kasi tumutugtog ako dun sa Mamagaya. So, actually that's above Jollibee, dun sa may street na yun.
Okay.
Tapos dun sa street na yun, may mga tumatambay kasi ron, tapos meron mga karinderya dun wherein nagbebenta sila ng yung puso, yung hanging rice, diba? Tapos yung mga isaw, ganyan. So, yun ang kinakain ko during breaks namin.
Okay.
Tapos nakita ko mga thrasher to mga to. Sabi ko, underground siguro to. Tanong ako noon. So nagulat sila, parang Tatagalog ako, syempre, 'di ba? Parang puro mga Cebuano ang salita doon, 'di ba? So sabi, gulat sila. Tapos yun naging tropa na. Tapos napasama ako sa gig nila. Tumugtog kami ni Peter. Merong mga songs ako nag-gitara, tapos siya nag-drums.
Astig, okay. Shout out to Peter. Si Peter ever since very supportive.
Yeah, sila Binggel, yung mga tropa diyan sa Iligan.
Exactly. Si Binggel ba yung naging police? O yung nag-police training?
Nasa NBI.
NBI, there you go. Oo nga. So Peter and Binggel, kung nakikinig kayo, good evening. Si Eliseo of Roadkill is also...
si Eliseo. Yeah.
Is tuned in. And again, I have a very long... Actually, ang dami ko nang nakalimutan through the years. But one thing that always stood out, I never told you this story.
Yeah.
Pero nasa Prince of Wales kami, I was very new. I think it was my first or second year sa Pulp.
Aha.
I had a hardcore band named Denied.
Denied.
And
yeah,
this was during the time na nag-aaway new metal, nag-aaway thrash and whatever. We were kids. And then you came up to us,
Aha.
which was the most surprising thing. Kasi ako nakita ko, ay, si Paul Macad, I used to read about this guy and whatever. Tapos na may mention ka na nila Ras. And then you came up to us and said, oh, tuloy niyo lang ginagawa niyo. I liked your set and whatnot. And that meant the world to us. Sabi ko, wow, si Paul hindi siya like the other guys na medyo discriminant sa. So where do you again, you listen to a lot of styles of music, pero where did you I was talking to Kat Sadie, you welcomed them as well, katambay mo sila.
Hindi, tsaka nag-drums ako sa kanila.
Oh yeah, you sessioned for a few.
In 2006 I played for them sa Pulp SummerSlam. So tapos meron pa kami Fête de la Musique. So marami. Tapos matambay dati sila sa bahay. Doon kami nagre-rehearse minsan sa tropa yung mga yan, Kat Sadie. Yeah,
so
Sadie.
where did you get that? What was it always like sort of your advocacy to always support younger musicians, the musicians that came after you? Was that always your thing?
Yeah, siguro kasi before nabully ako eh.
Okay.
Then nabully ako ng mga matatanda sa eksena before kasi syempre bata kami tapos medyo iba na rin kasi yung namin, yung style namin o yung namin, yung mindset namin. So pagdating sa music iba na rin eh. So syempre iba influences namin ganyan. So na-experience ko one time kami ni Joseph Conde, we played saan ba to? We played at siguro sa may the Pitan Sports Complex.
Okay.
I think that was in 1989, parang ganun. So naranasan na yung mabuli kasi parang hindi kami maintindihan ng isang tropa. Tropa naman to. Actually, wala naman akong galit sa kanya. Tapos na yun eh. Hindi ko kami maintindihan. Binato kami ng ESQ pa dati, yung lapad.
Noong pwede pang gawin yun.
Oo, binato kami ng alak. Talagang wow, sabi ko, talagang, kumbaga, pinaulanan kami ng alak eh. So, ayun. So, grabe, sobrang hiyang-hiya ako noon. Tapos, naalala ko noon, after our set, nakita ko yung The Next na banda. Yung The Next, yung old school na
punks.
Nausap ako. Tuloy mo lang yan. Sabi sa akin, ganun. Ayos lang yan. Ganun. Sabi ko nga, kuya, ganun. Nakita niya kasi yung namin, yung nangyari sa amin, parang naawa siya. Sabi ko. So yun, yung nangyari yun, that was the time na sabi ko sarili ko, magpa-practice ako.
Okay.
Sabi ko, hindi ako magiging ganun. Kumbaga parang, although dumating ako sa point na, syempre naging, parang naging, hindi naman gatekeeper, syempre naging purist ka rin. At
kasi
some point.
You're protecting something you love. Diba?
Pero syempre, para sa akin kasi, parang siguro, dahil bata pa ako noon, parang kaya ganun siguro, parang sabi, metal lang ako, parang ganun. Ganun.
Yeah.
Metal lang ako, kailangan demonic yung ko, mga pinapakinggan. Parang medyo pero tapos nung pero sandali lang yun. Actually na-realized ko, sabi ko, ano ba beginnings ko? Parang hindi naman ako galing dito sa ganitong extreme music. Parang nag-rock and roll ako, nag-punk, nag-new wave ako. Tapos ngayon mag-aasta kang gatekeeper ka o parang purist ka. Parang, parang mali yun, di ba? So, ayun. So, actually, ayun nga, tama ka. Kumbaga, advocacy ko yun. So, ayoko may nabubuli. Ayoko ganun. Bad trip ako sa ganun eh. Kasi, so kami, nabuli rin kami ng ibang mga tropang punk before.
Yeah.
Pero, tumanda na sila. Anyway, tsaka, marami rin akong, pinaglaban ko rin kasi itong ganitong advocacy. Yung ganitong stand ko. So, even, siguro yung mga younger days ko talagang suntukan talaga. Talagang,
wala kasing internet eh. Walang ibang libangan.
Kumbaga, hindi, talagang literal. Kasi noon, medyo kami, ginaganon kami ng ibang mga tropa. So, medyo binubuli kami. Mapalag ako. Talagang papalag talaga ako. Kasi, alam mo yun, parang mali kayo eh. Hindi naman kami para bulihin nyo eh, di ba? So, ayaw kasi mangyari dun sa, okay, yung generation nyo, ayaw ko ipasa rito sa generation namin ngayon. So, ganun. Parang, di ba? Parang daming nangyari noon. So Actually, mga tropa ko naman sila. Hindi naman ako bad trip sa kanila. So parang, ayun, dumating kami sa point na ganun, suntukan, mga ganyan. May gig na po, tsaka kala mo, meron kaming gig namin sa Bangkal, Makati before. So tumutugtog kami ng KNK, parang may mga bodyguards pa ako ng mga tropa ko, yung mga organizers. Talagang, putya, guarded kami. Sabi ko, putya, pag may mano sa amin yan, alam nyo na gagawin. parang ganun. Pero, alam mo, masaya. Kasi part yun ng kultura. Di ba? Parang, dun ako natuto as an individual bilang isang musikero, bilang isang artist. So, marami. Ang dami kong natutunan along the way. So,
okay. Pero I'm glad you mentioned like yung beginnings, yung you look back to your roots kasi like Kabaong ni Kamatayan, what a name, no?
yeah.
Like it brings up even nung una ko siyang nabasa, sabi ko grabe, napakabigat o satanisa naman. And of course there was Defago.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Na they really went into the culture talaga.
Defago.
Pero you never found yourself like Kabaong ni Kamatayan. It never teetered masyado dun sa like what kids call today devil na ano. It was never the image, you know. It was more of like how would you describe Kabaong ni let's say may batang lumapit sa iyo. Like Kuya Paul, paano mo i-describe yung Kabaong ni Kamatayan? What was it really? Kasi ang daming iteration ng Kabaong ni Kamatayan, naging KNK. Parang tuwing nagpapalit kayo ng moniker, may evolution din sa style, eh, 'di ba? So how would you describe the band in general? Tsaka what's the status of kasi alam ko si Conde nagkabaong siya, 'di ba?
Magkakasama kami. Actually kami mga founding members noon, pati sa Elmer San Juan.
Okay, alright.
So kami ni Condi kasi dahil tropa kami nung sa Quiapo Parochial, dun sa Quiapo. Tapos si Elmer naman, tropa naman niya sa nung high school sa UST, sa UST. So nalipat kasi si Joseph Condi sa from UST to Quiapo Parochial. So pareho kaming nag-transfer ng school. Ako, letteran ako, tapos nalipat ako dun kasi medyo makukulit kami nung time na yun. Alam mo na. Tapos so bago kami kick out ng mga schools namin, inunahan na namin sila. So that's why we went there. So nagkita kami, tapos yun na it started out as parang high school band hanggang sa pinakilala sa Elmer. Ayun na, doon na nangyari yun. Alam mo yun?
Okay. So is Kabaong ni Kamatayan technically still ongoing or
ngayon
like
kasi
what is it, hibernation ba or
naka-hibernate kasi nag-hibernate kami, although yung mga dati kasing members kasi namin si Joseph Conde syempre nag-iba na siya ng banda rin, tapos syempre nagkanya-kanya na kami ng mga stints pati si Elmer nag-electronica siya dati, so sinusuportahan ko rin yung electronica niya. Si Joseph pag may gig pupunta rin ako, mga ganun, suportahan naman namin yung isa't isa na. So yung ngayon kasi yung nangyari doon sa ibang members kasi iba nag-abroad hanggang sa kasi may ginagawa kami mga kanta, tapos hanggang sa hindi na namin nagawa kasi nga dami na nangyari, mga family family matters. So ngayon medyo kami ni James actually medyo binubuo namin ngayon.
Okay.
And nga pala, pwede ba mag-plug?
Of course.
So gamitin ko na opportunity kasi kailangan namin ng vocalist ngayon.
Oh, okay.
Kasi meron kaming gig na this coming October. So wala pa kaming vocalist. Sana kasi may isang tropa kasi tayong makukuha namin. Kaya lang nag-back out kasi sa schedules daw sa work niya. So okay lang naman. Wala namang problema. So yun lang. So we're shopping for kahit session vocalist lang. Nice. Pwede naman lalaki o pwedeng babae, ganun. Basta makinig ka ng death, cynic, atheist, basta old school death metal tsaka modern death metal. Basta open ka, ganun lang.
Nice.
Basta chill lang, 'di ba? Ganun.
So guys, if you're all to everyone tuned in, especially kailangan ni Paul Magat ng session vocalist kahit for the moment. So if you guys are interested, alam niyo na kung paano i-contact si Paul.
Yeah.
Facebook lang katapat niyan. And you know what? We are going to be playing more music from the many bands of Paul Magat. We're going to be playing a track from Disabuse. What's the story behind Disabuse?
Yan. Okay. So Disabuse, actually, yan sila, mga tropa namin before nila George sa Sampaloc, Manila. So those guys are, they were from PUP in Lepanto, no? Tapos Nagkataon to si Rigor, yung vocalist namin ngayon. So yan, tropa-tropa namin that time, mga early 90s, ng KNK, mga LA 105 days pa, kasama namin sila.
Okay.
Tapos ito na, so ito naman si Roman, bata sa amin to actually, nasa in his 30s pa lang to So bata pa yan, na-meet ko yan. So family friend naman namin sila.
Okay.
Tapos so nag-record sila sa akin one time, tapos actually matagal na. Tapos bumalik ulit sila sa studio, nawalan sila ng drummer. Ako naisip ko naman, sabi ko, walang drummer. Sabi, ako na lang kaya pumalo. Parang mag-offer ako parang. Kasi kasama kami dun sa collective yung kasama. Meron silang collective kasi Samcore. Okay. Samcore Collective. So parang tropa-tropa. Since taga Sampaloc naman talaga ako originally. Sabi ko, subukan ko kaya. Tapos biglang tinawagan ako ni Roman, yung bassist. Sabi, Paul, baka pwede kang
naunahan
pumalo. Sabi ko, actually, sabihin ko nga sana yan ayos pala. Sige, pre. Sige. Ganun na. Parang instant kagad. Wala nang iba-ibang usapan. Sige, tara, tirahin natin yan. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay. So yun, eto, medyo old school, parang crust punk sila no? Medyo raw yung style nila. Siguro nasa veins ng Discharge, ganyan. Yung mga luma exploited, yung mga ganun.
Okay.
Tapos ngayon, yun nga, ito, yung ginawa namin ngayon, actually medyo nag-evolve na yung banda. So, ewan ko lang kung ano masasabi ng mga tao. Pero by the way, before we play that song, meron kaming release na music video nung January lang this year. So, nilaunch namin yun sa Old Manila in Cainta. Tapos kasabay namin dun yung set, nawala naman ako, Star Sept, na Japanese na noisecore, grindcore band.
Okay.
Yung drummer niya si Ryusuke, yung
ma-art?
Yung art.
Yung art guy.
Yung art guy.
Yeah.
Yung snare guy.
Yeah.
Grabe, sabi ko. Yun sila. Ganun sila ka.
So that's online. People can watch it anytime.
Sa YouTube meron kami. Meron kami. So, ang title nun is, pakiano nyo na rin, No Borders, No State.
No Borders, No State.
So yung video na yan was directed and shot by actually co-director din ako, si Jack ng Choi. So,
Jack Choi, okay.
He does he's the sound guy for Willa Baliw So okay yan, malupit yung taong yan. So tinulungan kami. Thank you very much kung nakikinig ka. Alam mo nakikinig ka.
And speaking of nakikinig, we got more greetings happening here. Gandang gabi, Kap Paul. Watching from the city of Parada and Procession, Antipolo.
Wow.
So, Rapid Deathcore. Good evening. Let's see. Thrash Waldo. Shout out Boss Prol from Uriside.
Oh, Uriside. Yeah, yan. Ko yan? Pinuproduce ko ngayon yan. Thrash metal sila from Antipolo, Pasig. Yun.
Okay. Si Atan nakikinig din. Atan 00. Shout out na po. Watching from the Fern. Magtatahi.
Yun, si Tan. Kasama namin sa Fern.
Yun, nagtatahi ng ang soundproofing curtain. Okay. Wow. Perfect music, man.
Kasi magtatayo kami sa studio dun. So,
and salamat sa reply again kay galing kay from Antipolo. Maraming salamat. Kahit may interview nakaka-reply ka. And you know what? We are going to be playing awesome music. Dahil nandito si Paul, I lined a bunch of stuff that I knew he'd like. Something from Death. Of course, Scream Bloody Gore. When you're talking Death, kailangan Scream Bloody Gore.
Yeah.
Something from Cynic as a tribute kay Paul. We've got some Dust Bolt. Of course, some thrash metal. Mga First Love ko for sure. And another thrash metal band, Trader, with a track called Teutonic Storm. But right now, we're going to be listening to some Disabuse. Again, we Live in Loud with Joey D is powered by Popsy's HQ. Good evening kay Attorney Alan, kay BJ, kay Sid, kay Ariel of Arcadia. Don't forget Arcadia. The new track is called The Social Cancer. But right now, we're going to be listening to Disabuse. Final warning. And you're still listening to Joey D here on Live and Loud with Joey D on Jam 88.3. All right, that was some Death for you. Scream Bloody Gore off the album Scream Bloody Gore. Before that, we listened to some Cynic. That one's going out to a buddy of mine. A buddy of ours. He bike Buick Vinyas. Alam ko he's a big Cynic fan.
Yeah, so
before that, we played some awesome thrash metal. One from Dust Bolt to Mass Confusion, and another from the band Trader, Teutonic Storm. And before that, we got to a lot of premieres here. Although ito may video na siyang na-release online, pero I guess the radio premiere from Paul's band Disabuse, a track called Final Warning.
Oo.
And marami pang
Exclusive
nag-greet.
lang yan dito sa program ni Joey.
Exactly. Hindi nyo rin madidinig yan sa ibang program.
Oo.
So thank you, Paul, for that. And Coffee Drinker 132.
Coffee drinker.
Nagre-request siya. Requesting for some Rammstein. Sige, singitan
Yun.
kita ng
Rammstein,
Rammstein
ganda
mamaya.
yan.
Idol namin yan si Paul. Teddy of Voltron.
Thank you. Yeah, Voltron.
Oh
yeah,
shit,
from-
yeah, Voltron, they just messaged me. Galing ng combination, trash na black yung vocals, no?
Tas may ano pa rin, new metal, meron sila elements pero medyo ano
Keeping it, it's definitely a homage to more underground genres. No? Actually, they messaged the other night, we are gonna be playing their music next week. Magde-debut na dito.
Maganda yung mga songs nila actually.
Exactly. Rapid Deathcore, requesting for some Malevolent Creation.
Si Rap pala yan. Ito, he messaged me dito sa Facebook. Sabi niya, siya raw yung Rapid Deathcore. So, yun.
Alright. Si Rap.
Kumusta? Ay, by the way, Joey, can I greet my parents? Kasi
Of course.
actually, they're tuned in right now. So, binabati ko lang si Papa ko, Papa Dante, Mama Training. Yan. Yung mga nasa bahay. Si Virgil, anak namin.
Good
And
evening
yung mga
po.
lahat ng tao dyan. Good evening. Actually, before we went here, sinet up ko na yung radio for my dad. Sabi niya, sige, parang masya pa excited. Nandun pa kami sa bahay, parang nag-aantay na siya. Asan yan? Okay.
Tsaka
sinet
Stig,
up.
radyo talaga.
Oo. Pero 'di ba, radyo, 'di ba? Syempre 'yun. Salamat. Magat family. I love you, Mama, Papa, and sa mga kapatid ko, Lisa, Gina.
Roach Roughneck, Dust Bolt from Germany. Thank you very much, Roach Roughneck. Germany pala ang Dust Bolt. I just heard them the other day and it was a mind-blowing experience. All the way from Germany, sinama ko na kaagad.
Oo, iba rin yan.
And James Salvaje is tuned in. James, good evening.
Si James.
Cheers, kumusta kayo? Watching while nagtatrabaho. Thank you so much, James. Long time, James.
Hello, James.
Glad to hear from you. Nandito si Paul. Gandang gabi sa inyong lahat. And
yes, good evening, Jamie.
From si Jay Tang, pa-shout out Papi Paul from Noisebleed TV.
Noisebleed. Oh, yan. Noisebleed TV. Yan, support natin yan. May YouTube channel sila.
Okay, everybody remember these. If you guys aren't on Twitch already, you'll see the comments. Again, a lot of musicians turned up. Well, it's not really a surprise. Nandito si Paul. Pero Noisebleed TV. Again, don't forget, next week ko pa siya patutugtugin, pero wag niyo nang kalimutan yung pangalan. Voltron with a double N. I guarantee if you like the stuff that we play here on Living Loud with Joey D every Wednesdays 9 p.m. to 12 midnight, if you love it, you're gonna love Voltron. Sayang nga hindi lang umabot, but you know what, it's all good. I will play it next week. And really quick reminders, we have been playing some awesome local music. We got even more local music coming up. We are going to be premiering the new track from Felda Mighty, Bloodied Letters. We're going to be playing something from Cywar. Shoutouts to Cywar. And Murder Club, especially.
Spike.
Yep. And of course the new project I'm working on with Mel of Loads of Motherhood, In Ruin. We're going to be playing a new track from In Ruin here as well. But before we chat more with Paul, a few reminders. We just want to invite everyone to other non-metal stuff, but they are our friends. Re-Entry, the Wasted Time single launch from Miles Experience. That's September 19th at 7 p.m. sa Moe's QC. Pre-selling tickets are $450, but on mga walk-in $650. And featuring performances by, of course, Miles Experience, Long Lost Apollo, Soap Dish. Cheers to Jeff of Soap Dish. Sarap magluto yan. Si Aldrin Alcantara, one of the finest drummers right now. Si Jensen and the Flips. Kian Cipriano of formerly of I won't mention it na lang. Kian Cipriano, basta. Of course, our friends from Kwan, Mark and Isok and Iyo and Kelly. Good evening sa inyo.
Idol yan.
Yep, really, really good music. Again, September 19th sa Moe's Quezon City. And another show next week. Again, September 11th, Thursday, Urban Dub, Greyhounds, Armalite. One of the very first gigs of Armalite. I don't think it's the first. They are going to be playing at the Dututan Festival. But if you want to see them up close and intimate, again, so September 11th, Thursday, Armalite, Urban Dub, Greyhounds. And all the way from Cebu, Power Spoons. So good evening to all our friends. Sila 8 And don't forget, I'd like to promote the Flying House. Really awesome food. Eight and Timmy and all the staff ng Flying House, good evening. And to Gab of Urban Dub, all the boys and girl of Urban Dub, good evening sa inyo. Again, don't forget, September 11th, Thursday. And like I keep mentioning, Living Loud with Joey D on Jam 88.3 is powered by Popsy's HQ. Again, good evening kay Attorney Alan, kay BJ, kay Sid, and kay Ariel of Popsy's HQ. Again, sa Woodpecker Street to, sa North Caloocan. If you're from the north, you want good coffee, good food, or you're into bikes, or may banda kayo and gusto nyo mag-jamming sa studio, again, Popsy's HQ. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. They also have a restaurant and cafe. May branch sila sa Qualimed sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. So kung nasa bandang north kayo, punta kayo doon. Actually, sasama ko si Paul doon one day. Gusto ko na rin makita nila Ariel. So tambay tayo doon.
Yun, pwede.
And Pulp Magazine, again, if most of the bands that I play here on Livin' Loud, I also do articles just to help them out. And of course, it's really good music, especially from the provinces. So again, pulpmagazine.com. The new Echo Dread article, Echo Dread all the way from Laguna. Really, really talented guys. We premiered, speaking of Laguna, we premiered Hollow, the new track from Pile Driver. Good evening to the guys of Pile Driver, sila Howell, sila Reggie, sila Rodney. Belated happy birthday to Rodney. And since we're greeting a bunch of people, a belated happy birthday to the Doctor, one of the original pillars of
si
local.
Ramon nga pala, belated happy birthday.
Belated happy birthday, Ramon. Si Alcita, aka the Doctor. I think he's all the way in Florida. So good evening sa kanya. And to Bruce Betts, kapatid ni Bay Betts. Bruce, belated happy birthday. I hope you had a really good birthday. And I am gonna be greeting a bunch of people later ng konti, but we are talking to Paul Magat, the drummer of K&K, the legendary K&K, and a drummer of other bands like Disabuse.
Yeah.
You have other bands here, Befall and Cypec.
Cypec, yeah.
So, yung Befall and Cypec, tell us about those two other bands.
Yung Befall, actually, I became a member like in 2009. So, grindcore band sila actually. So, ano to mga waray sila, waray.
Oh, okay.
Mga taga-Samar, Leyte, ganun. Tapos, nag-record din sila before sa akin. So, yun. So, nawalan ng drummer, ako na pumalo.
Okay.
Tapos yung Cypec naman,
anong tugtugan ng Befall? Like, what's the
grindcore,
musical? Grindcore
mga
band.
siguro, mga Phobia, yung mga ganyan. Ganong,
Okay.
Tapos, yun, yung Cypec, noong 2017, so, start kami. Kami nila Odi, Merge for the Kill, yung vocalist. So kami yan nila Odi. So shout out.
What a band, no? Galing ng Merge for the Kill. Sila Flow, no?
Oo, tapos ayun na. Pero teka muna, before anything else, pwede mo bumati lang?
Go, man, go.
Teka lang medyo mahaba lang pero
yeah, man.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa kanila para ito lang, banggitin ko lang quick lang to. Yun, syempre yung Mackie Digital Mixer Forerunner Technologies. Sir Mario Benipayo, yan. Thank you, sir. And syempre, Shops Clothing pala man. Sila nag-sa amin ng t-shirt. So ito, gawa naman ni Abdul ng Almoranas.
Alright.
Tapos yung sponsor naman namin sa t-shirt sa Cypec, sa Cypec, Shops Clothing sa Marikina. So meron din silang studio doon. Tumugtog sila Ariel doon Alam ko nung Sunday ata o Saturday.
Okay.
Tumugtog sila doon, Arcadia. Tapos, yun, syempre, noise control. Syempre, salamat kay Boy at Tendana. Tapos, yun, The Fern, si Sevi, si Ives nung Bastardo. Syempre, si Tan, yung kasama namin dyan. So, ito yung gagawin namin studio sa Kainta. Tapos, syempre, mga kabanda ko sa KNK, sa Cypec, sila LD, si Jay, si Rox, si James, si Rigor, si Roman, yung isa pa, yung sila Nats, yung Earl, tsaka si Jem, si Paulo, tapos si Moral Rat naman, si John, si Joy, si Trix, yan. Tsaka Barangay New Wave pala, man. Ito, Barangay New Wave, mga tropa ko sa amin sa Kainta.
Okay.
New Waver to mga to.
Nice.
Okay to, magagaling to. Tsaka yung Junction Box, syempre. Tapos yung Nerd Project, yun, yung client ko na... Ito, nirelease namin sa Meron na sila sa Spotify.
Okay.
Actually, like 2 days ago, na-release yung song nila. So, pinuduce ko yun. Totally na-record namin sa studio lahat. Drums, vocals, everything. So, yun. Tapos, syempre, Hayden, syempre, Demon Vape, Puff Verse, yung negosyo ni Roman. Yung bandang Downboy, mga taga-Tondo, mga tropa to, hardcore.
Okay.
Zone 32, yan, Tipsy, Death Grade, Your
sila
Side.
Jericho, Zone 32.
Tsaka si Sir Bry, sila sila paring June sa Team Ants yung sa namin, TNVS namin sa Transport Network vehicle service. So yun, thank you for tuning in. Alam ko nakikinig sila ngayon, nasa biyahe ang mga yan, masisipag yung mga kasama ko dun eh.
Okay.
So yun. Okay.
Si James, pa-shout out kay Tito Dante and Tita T.
Ano ko yun? Nanay at tatay ko. Yan, nakikinig pa yan.
Okay.
Si
Alright.
mama at papa. Actually, before, bro, kasi kalugar namin sila, di ba sila Russell, Sky Church, the mighty Sky Church. Sa Sampaloc nun, hindi lang kami nagkikita. Pero sa tawid sila ng Espanya.
Okay.
Tapos that time, si Papa kasi, barangay chairman siya. So every piyesta namin doon, may tugtugan kami sa kalsada. Pero hindi pa nakatugtog ng Sky Church ha.
Okay.
So sabihin, yung relation lang ng Sky Church, taga Sampalo kami, alam mo yun, doon kami nang galing talaga. So,
because there was this thing before, naalala ko na pagkwentuhan natin, there was like, it wasn't that it was divided, pero may Manila metal, may Marikina na metal,
merong
diba?
ganun,
There was that thing, di ba?
merong ganun.
Was it different? May difference ba? Do you think? I'm sure nung araw, syempre, aside from the geography, pero was there a difference? Like, was Manila metal leaning towards a certain style? And was Marikina leading? Kasi si Marikina naging hardcore na rin.
May
diba?
ganun. May ganun sila. Actually, parang ganun. Parang wala naman masyadong, tingin ko wala naman difference kasi nagkaya pala ng geography. So, medyo, lang.
Depende na lang sa mas maduming tubig.
Depende lang, parang gano'n. Bahain, pareho naman bahain, di ba? Marikina at Manila, binabaha pareho. So, wala naman pinagkaiba yun. So, I mean, yung music, musicians, yung vibes, nandun pa rin kasi kung anong trip nung tropa sa Marikina, gano'n din sa Manila. So, yung musical direction, siguro sa Marikina, wala lang black metal nun dahil nandito Dayfago sa Manila nun Tapos, yung ganun. Pero,
bagay, nagkikita sa Nizzle lahat no? Nizzle
nakikita,
Dazzle. Shout out to Nizzle Dazzle tsaka yung mga recto.
Nakikita sa gig, nag-aaway, yung mga ganun. Pero wala yun. Those were the days. Pero wala na yun. I mean, diba? Ganun talaga, eksena. Parang may mga friction talaga yan. Pero may animosity. Pero syempre pag tumatanda ka na po siya, wala na yung mga ganyan di ba?
Exactly.
So,
you realize you're all fighting for the same thing, di ba? Basically,
diba?
It's for people to hear the music, for people to
siguro,
go to the gigs.
Makipag-away tayo sa mga contractors. Sorry. Wala akong sinabi.
That's an entire new show, no? As far as the future, so again, you're in these bands and whatnot. Ano yung mga solid plans that you can share? Like, do you plan to uso kasi ngayon, di ba, nire-record yung mga lumang kanta. And we're basically playing music that's not released, no? Is there plans na i-re-record because of better technology?
Siguro, i-record namin. Tsaka that time kasi parang may mga nangyaring mga untoward mga events nun. So, parang pwede i-record namin. Actually, plano namin i-record. Pati sa kay NK, ganun din.
Okay.
So actually, we have songs lined up for re-recording already. So, gawa na yung mga guide tracks and all. Tapos ganun na lang. I-execute na lang namin yung plano. Tapos yung SciPec, actually meron akong binigay sa SciPec dyan. Eto unreleased to. It will be released soon.
Okay.
As a compilation kasi. So may compilation kami from ano ba tawag dito? Yung isang basta yung Kilause, yung sa isang banda na tropa. So teka naman, mental block ako. Anyway, yung Punk Magalona, yun. So yun. So marirelease yan. Pero ngayon, as medyo dito lang naman sa show ni Joey, so maririnig yung song namin. 2 songs from SciPec. Ewan ko kung ilang pe-play ni Joey. It's up to him. So ayun. So, what else? Basically, ganun lang. Yung planong i-record. Tapos, syempre, gawa ng... Ito, sa Disabuse, gagawin namin... balak namin kasi vinyl dito.
Okay.
Tapos, sa SciPec, CD, syempre, ganun. Baka sa tape din.
Okay.
KNK, bahala na, kung ano man. Kung ano yung pwede, kung ano yung medyo mas... Kasi actually, mahal lang vinyl
Yeah.
Mahal ang vinyl. So, depende na lang. Pero basta yung importante, ma-release namin talaga Kasi Medyo long overdue na yan eh.
For
Marami
sure.
nang nag-aantay.
Niisip ko nga, sabi ko, pag nagkita kami ni Paul sa show, kasi I'm sure you remember that compilation sa Kabilang Anyo ng Buhay. That to me, in my limited knowledge, no, sabi ko, wow, nandito na yung mga heavy hitters. Iconoclast was there, Genital Grinder was there, yung banda ni Tatel, ano yung ginitara?
Ano ba tawag dito? Yung
na may mental block din ako sa
mental
excitement.
block ako
Pero yan, nandun din yung banda ni Tatel of VOC. That was his first band. And sabi ko, kung marirecord kaya lahat to, it would sound
Rumble
great.
Belly.
Rumble Belly, there you go. Cheers to Rumble Belly. Sila Alvin.
Yeah,
Oh, which
Alvin Baez. Yan,
which
sila
ultimately
Tatel.
became, ano yung industrial band ni Alvin? First Degree.
First Degree.
Ultimately, sabi ko, pag nare-record to, it would sound really good. It was ahead of its time. Tapos ang ganda ng horror element. Si Conde ata nag-design nun, di ba? If I'm not mistaken, si Joseph
Yata,
Conde rin nag-design nun.
Yung sa Kabilang Anyo, siya nag-design,
yung art.
Siya gumawa ng art nun.
So it was good for the time. Primitive yung technology, but it was good for the time. Sabi ko, ang ganda nito kung marirecord. So hopefully we could get those bands together.
Oo nga eh.
And again, Vortexture Studios is still doing well. Dire-diretso pa rin.
So far so good. May mga projects naman kahit papaano.
So everyone tuning in, if you guys want to record, if you want a really good drum sound, lalo na we were listening to Paul's recording kanina ng Disabuse, ang ganda ng drum sound. Of course, he's a drummer.
Thank you.
But if you guys want to record Vortextures, how do they get in touch with you? Facebook?
Facebook meron ako. Tapos pwede rin naman they can message me directly through Facebook.
Okay.
Tapos pwede naman kahit di naman sa akin na-record, pwede ako mag-mix.
Okay.
Bibigyan ko kayo ng magandang rate. So
gamitin nyo lang yung
don't
discount code.
Discount code ni Joey. It's Joey Jam 88.3 and discount code. Yan, meron yan.
There you go. Thank you to everybody sa Twitch.
Tatawa yung asawa ko. Hi mami, dito pala kasama ko yung wife ko.
Thank you guys for commenting. Mas naaalala nyo better. Again, Rumble Belly. Shoutouts to Rumble Belly. And you know what? We're not just gonna play one. We're gonna play two tracks from Saipek, yung banda ni Paul. And you know what? We got. Let's play some Murder Club. Really, really awesome band. The nicest guys ever. They've been at it for quite some time. We're also gonna play the new track from Fel the Mighty. Good evening to the boys of Fel the Mighty. It's a new track called Bloodied Letters. Out na din yung music video nito if you guys want to listen to it. And we'll play some In Ruin. Again, shout out to Mel who's tuned in. Mel of Loads of Motherhood. This is the project we've been working on for the past few years. We got a track from them and something from Saiwar. I am gonna shut up right now. Mamaya kausapin pa natin si Paul. We got 30 minutes left. Kung may mga questions kayo na gusto tanong kay Paul, you can just chat sa Twitch. But right now, we're gonna be playing two songs from Saipek. One of them is Recalibration.
Yeah, Recalibration.
That's the track. And after that, we're going to be playing something called Sovereignty as
Collateral.
As Collateral. Oh, we definitely know what this one's about.
Pwede mag-promote after niyan. Pwede
Of course.
mag-promote ng shows. Actually, we have two shows
Go, man.
this week. So, this weekend. So, ayun.
Saan ang shows?
Actually, meron kaming gig sa Pirates Grill with Arcadia.
Okay,
Yun.
good.
Thank you, Ariel, for for including us in the lineup. Tapos this coming Friday, meron kami sa Blue Night sa Cainta.
Okay.
So, nandun sila Tolfin, it's owned by Miss Page.
Okay.
Yan, so yun, okay yun. So punta kayo ron pag nasa Cainta kayo, Blue Nights, tsaka Old Manila.
Alrighty.
Alright.
And again, makinig muna tayo ng Saipek. Again, the first track we're going to be playing is called Recalibration. You're still locked on here sa Living Loud with Joey D on Jam 88.3. That was Fel the Mighty with their all-new track, Bloodied Letters. You can watch the music video directed by Jeff Vargas. Again, congratulations to the
Galing,
guys of Fel the Mighty. Hanip eh, di ba?
Oo.
Like, it's
Mismo?
young, it's modern, but it's heavy as F.
Oo.
So, alam naman tayo, as long as it's
Maganda yung
heavy.
areglo. Okay yung areglo. Ang galing.
And Darwin, solid yan bro. Sinong banda yan? There you go. Fel the Mighty. Yun.
Fel the Mighty.
And Jack Castillo, Sir Shaq, you are tuned in all the way from Cavite,
Alright.
from the band Ayana. Shout out sa inyo.
Ayana, yung babaeng bukalisa.
Yep,
Ang galing
yep.
yan
Oh, si
Panood
Jack.
ko yan.
Roommate ko yan
Galing
si
yung
Jack
mga
eh.
sir, galing.
Parang pop punk na
Oo.
Polyphia yung gitara
Iba
na
eh.
weird. Oh.
Galing din.
Animal
Prog,
ka talaga, Sir Jack.
may pagka-prog sila.
Exactly. Big words, Jack.
Galing,
Dapat
galing.
matuwa ka. From Mel, solid na mga kanta. Sir Paul, walang sir, pero congratulations, Paul. Mel from Loads of Motherhood is tuned in.
Si Mel. Oy, Mel.
Super.
Galing nung track niya.
He enjoyed the music that was being played.
Kapalo nga.
Again, thank you to Raj sa kay Rapid Deathcore and Violator Fernandez 666. Good evening. Promote ko lang po event namin. Yung mga walang gagawin this Saturday, September 6th, punta kayo sa Cainta Blue Nights Resto Bar. There's an event happening there. Bleeding Ears Production, Bacalize.
Meron pa kaming event ni Ariel.
Oo, happening on Saturday. Saan uli siya ulit?
Yan, sa Pirates Grill, Bacoor, Cavite. Kasama yung Pile Driver, Arcadia, Fragments, Anak Dalita, No Way Out, Merge for the Kill, Unhallowed Promethean, and New Math. Ito, mucha magagaling itong mga to, man.
New Math.
Oo.
Actually, all the bands you mentioned, very, very familiar. Good reputation. I am yet. So, guys, pag hindi umulan ng malakas sa Sabado, alam niyo namang hirap na hirap ako. Punta ako sa gig ni Paul and then I'll try to make it to this gig sa Bleeding Ears Productions.
Tas sa Friday pala may gig kami, no?
Friday?
Sa Blue Nights din. Ang title nito is Back to School. So, maraming banda rito. I think ilang banda lang kami rito. So, nandun yung The Nerd Project. Ano pa ba? Teka, nawala sa ano ko. Sorry. Nawala. Yun. Anyway, yun. So, alam ko ang nag-organize ito yung mga tropa namin nila Vice Mayor Gian Soto, yung mga nun.
Oh, Gian Soto, aggressive Angel Attack.
Yung mga tropa namin dun, yung mga ganun dyan. Sila
nice.
Euclid, sila 6 Digit, yan,
Okay.
mga tropa namin dun. 48 Libs, yan.
All right. 6 Digit, that's a name we don't hear, no?
Oo nga.
Sila X, sila
Hendrik.
Drick.
Ayun, no.
Wow. Super throwback.
Man. Diba?
And we're gonna let Paul, we'll give you the floor, Paul, kung may kailangan ka pang ibang i-promote or i-shout out. Again, Paul's parents are tuned in. Good evening po.
Good evening.
But is there any other reminders? Again, Vortexture Studios, kontakin nyo lang si Paul kung gusto nyo mag-record.
Yun. Pwede ako mag-mix. Kung nag-record kayo sa ibang studio, pwede naman. So, if you want my works, pwede naman. Pwede ko kayong senda ng portfolio. So, I can work with several genres like pop, reggae. Nagmixan na ako ng reggae, yung kanto. Yun. Tapos, ano pa ba? May choir. Iba-iba. Death metal. Kung ano, alternative.
Kahit anong gusto nyong ipa-record
Basta
kay Paul.
tumutunog.
Basta
tumutunog. I mean, kasi nag-enjoy ako eh. Kasi, like yung mixing kasi, hindi lang yung art eh. Kumbaga, hindi lang yung sa compensation eh. Kasi, ano rin kasi, nag-enjoy ka eh. Parang, wow, pag nag-contribute ka dun sa, like sa producing, sa material, parang, napaka-fulfilling ng dating niya, di ba? Alam mo yun? Masaya siya. Tapos ano pa ba? Yun, may gagawin kami studio sa Eats in the East. So that's in Cainta. So yun, the Fern Triangle. So watch out niyo yun. So yung studio na yun, yun, mangyayari na rin. Tapos pag kailangan niyo ng mga transportation services, yun, PM lang kayo sa akin. May mga tropa tayo, may mga van, may mga sedan, may MPV, mga ganun. Yun, PM lang kayo.
Alrighty. And again, maraming salamat, Paul Magats. Great seeing you again. Hopefully, this is not the last time you'll be on the show for sure.
Sana ma-invite ako ulit dito. And thank you. And nga pala, before I forget, I'd like to thank Jam 88.3 for having me here. Tapos kasi last time, I think that was in 2017 na interview rin ako dito di ba? So thank you very much for this opportunity. And syempre sa'yo, Brother Joey, syempre malaking tulong to. I mean, ma-impart ko man o ma-share ko man sa mga bago nating mga nakikinig mo, tapos yung mga bata, yung matatanda, I mean, yung experiences. So salamat, maraming salamat. And basta tuloy-tuloy lang suporta natin sa mga bagong banda, sa mga lumang banda. Yun, tayo, medyo chill na tayo, 'di ba? Iwasan na natin ng away-away, basta enjoy na lang natin, 'di ba? Ganun lang.
Or kung mag-aaway, todohin nyo na. para
Oo,
tapos
awayin
na.
nyo na. Magtuduhan na kayo, di ba? Pero wag naman, di ba?
Pero wag kami.
Oo, kami. Pag inaway nyo kami, syempre, inaway nyo kami. Pero hindi, wala. Ano lang yun, joke lang.
Yeah.
Yun nga, pero di ba, just, basta enjoy lang yung music. Tapos supportahan natin yung mga ganitong programs yan kay Joey kasi actually, parang tingin ko, parang medyo, ano na, parang medyo papunta na yung radio, parang magiging lost art na parang ganun no? So sana huwag naman ganun and supportahan din natin kasi sa radio naman nagsimula din lahat halos, 'di ba? So pero hindi, I mean, para at least makarinig, mas malawak ang reach, 'di ba? Aside sa internet.
Mm.
Although mas malawak ang internet, pero I mean, iba pa rin yung radio. So supportahan natin. So hindi naman pagiging sell out 'yun. Yun lang. So enjoy na lang natin at supportahan na lang natin yung mga eksena kung gusto nyo supportahan. Kung ayaw nyo, di wag. Parang ganun lang, di ba?
Yep.
So kung
pag di niya trip, okay lang yan.
Okay lang, manahimik lang. Lahat naman tayo kasi may mga hindi naman tayo, may mga ayaw naman tayo at may gusto. So ganun lang yun. So, di ba? What pleases you, okay yun. Sige. Just do it, di ba?
Alrighty. And reminders, pahabol. Slit Wrist Savior. Naalala niyo yung kanta nila kanina, their song that we played, Burn the Palace. They are going to be on tour. Laguna. We will be in Laguna for our tour's first leg sa Kawayan Bar and Grill. Lots of homegrown talent from Laguna. DOA, sila Furby. Good evening kila Furby. Everyone at from Pile Driver. And Anointing of the Sick. So they're going to be there. Again, Slit Wrist Savior. All these band names, no? Gaganda ng mga pangalan ng banda. Dati hirap na hirap tayo mag-isip ng pangalan ng banda. But again, all the bands I mentioned really, really quickly. Galing Iligan, Crossfire. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung pangalan. From Cebu, Cursed by the Fire. Also awesome music. Sa Iloilo, Mongrel Blood. From Rizal, I just mentioned Slit Wrist Savior. Murder Club. The product, the recording they sent over is really, really good. So good evening to the guys of Murder Club. Sa Fel the Mighty and Saiwar and In Ruin, of course. And maraming salamat kila Miss Bea Betts. Belated happy birthday kay Bruce Betts. And the rest of the si Bey tsaka si Tin Vertusio, Tin and Paulo Manuel.
Si Paulo Manuel, naman.
Exactly.
Mismo yan.
Mismo yan.
Idol yan.
So from Bey and Tin sa Biofam, good evening daw.
Shoutout kay Jason, ng dating bukalista ng Gatillo. Yan.
Jason Gatillo. Wow.
Sabi niya, Paul, gusto ko yung take-away message mo. Nag-enjoy ako. Yung interview mo today, ang ganda ng program. Okay. Thank you, Tol. Salamat sa suporta. Ito mo, binasa ko pa yung message mo
Oo naman. Si kay James Salvaje, it's really nice seeing all these names dito bigla. It's definitely a throwback. And of course, dahil sa Living Loud, one day, you know what, I'm just gonna get these guys from K&K to be in the studio together. Pag-usapan natin.
Happy birthday kay Jury.
Happy birthday. And kay Rapid Deathcore, thank you for tuning in. Kay Inch Chan, kay Ate Joanne, again, kay Sir Shaq. And si Ayana. Yan. Again, supportan niyo rin yung Ayana. Hopefully one of these days
Ayana,
maka-guest din sila sa show. Mahal lang maningil eh.
Di ba sa Tower of Doom sila, di ba?
Yep, nagre-record. And speaking of Tower of Doom, to the Perlas Brothers. Good evening sa Tower of Doom.
Mismo yan, Tower
all
of
the
Doom.
buds, si Gabby Alipe, si Ocho from Armalite, don't forget to support them. Si Franco. And of course, si Manu Gentoo of Glastonbury Studios.
Mahusay din yan.
Yep, really good. Again, this has been Living Loud with Joey D. We got 2 more songs. Medyo overtime na, but of course, we got to play some Dayside for you guys.
Yan, Dayside.
This is I think it's their latest. Bury the Cross with Your Christ. Napaka Dayside. This one's going out to Bey and Tin. Again, the title of the song, Bury the Cross with Your Christ. Tin, sana makover mo to. And you know what? We're para kay Darwin Aguilar. Si Darwin, we are gonna be able to...
Taga-Baguio siya, di ba?
Yep. Tuwing naalala ko si Darwin, well, he did sing for Revelation. You remember Revelation?
Yeah.
But tuwing naalala ko si Darwin, ang pumapasok sa isip ko, Black Sabbath. So we're gonna end the show with some Black Sabbath. R.I.P. to Ozzy Osbourne. We'll play Changes.
Ozzy.
And but in the meantime, again, last 2 songs. Thank you for joining us next week.
Thank you, guys. Thank
you. Here on Living Loud with Joey D on Jam 88.3. Again, every Wednesday, 9 p.m. to 12 midnight.
All right.
Maraming salamat sa Popsies HQ, kay Ariel, kay Attorney Alan, kay BJ, and kay Sid. This is Dayside. Bury the Cross with Your Christ. And this has been Joey D. Bye-bye.